guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're doing a 2 Truth and a Lie challenge. Before we start, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. She will go first. Okay, girl. Oh Lord.
I grew up in Guyana. I moved 6 times in my life and I had long hair growing up. Which one is the lie?
You moved 6 times in your life? That's a lie?
No, it's not a lie.
So which one is a lie?
I grew up in Guyana. I grew up here.
You did?
Yes. I was born in
No
Guyana.
wonder I never heard an accent.
I grew up here. I was born in Guyana.
Oh gosh. Yeah. I came here when I was 11. My parents had me at 17 years old. I have 2 living grandparents.
Okay, I know you came here when you was 11. Oh, that's true. Your parents had you at 17.
No, that's true. So
Wait.
no, you don't.
Oh.
I only have 1 living grandparent left. My grandmother. Okay.
I think what in my mind I messed up.
You messed
Because
up?
I was gonna say that was true.
Say what was true.
That they had you at 17.
They did.
I know. I messed it up in my mind.
Okay.
All right. I went to Roosevelt Island many times as a child. I love going to Rhode Island. And I have an aunt that lives in Coney Island.
Damn, girl. All these islands. Okay. I'm supposed to know.
Which one is the lie?
Okay, the lie is you went to Roosevelt Island as a child.
That's not a lie. I used to go there all the time.
Oh Jesus! So which is the lie? The one?
That I love going to Rhode Island.
Oh,
I've never been to Rhode Island.
okay. Oh boy. Alright, I met Rihanna in 2015. I met LA Cool J as a teenager. And I met Kevin Hart in 2007. Which one is the lie?
I know you met Rihanna. The one with LL Cool J is a lie. Okay, so
Kevin
Kevin
Hart.
Hart. Okay.
I never met Kevin Hart. I want to meet you though.
Okay, mine. I got arrested when I was 17.
Huh?
I got arrested when I was 17.
Okay.
I never did anything illegal before, or I got pulled over by the cops before.
The lie?
Which one is the lie?
The lie is you never did anything illegal. Wait, I'm bugging. No, fuck, that was the truth.
See, it's like confusing, right?
That was the truth. That was the truth. Everybody said in the video, in the past video. So you never did anything illegal before. Okay, so the lie is, wait, what is it?
So I got arrested. I got pulled over. I got arrested when I was 17. I got pulled over by the cops. And I never did anything illegal.
The lie is you got arrested. Okay. I want 2 more kids. My parents are in their 50s. I rather boy kids.
You want 2
Which one's a
more
lie?
kids is a lie.
Okay.
I know you don't want no more kids.
Exactly.
All right. I hate fried chicken. My favorite food is mac and cheese, and I eat my burgers with buffalo sauce.
I don't feel hate fried chicken.
I love fried chicken. I love fried chicken.
You said what? Buffalo sauce?
So that's the lie. You said I hate fried chicken. I love fried chicken.
Oh yeah, alright.
The rest here, I eat my burgers with buffalo sauce, and my favorite food is mac and cheese.
Yeah, you don't eat fried chicken. Alright. I lost my virginity at 18. I went to the Maury show. And I can swim.
You can't swim. Okay, I'm a clean freak. I hate cleaning. And I'm crazy organized.
Okay, so I'm gonna say you're crazy organized as well. Is that true?
That's the truth.
That's the truth? So what's the lie?
I don't hate cleaning. I love cleaning.
I shouldn't. Well, you just saying you freak. I shouldn't know that. Where? I got baptized. I got a ticket for walking through the gate. You know, the MT.
So that's the truth. You have to explain that.
I was a class clown.
I don't believe you was a class clown.
What?
You don't seem like you were the class clown type.
So what's the lie?
It's a lie, right?
What's the lie?
You were a class clown.
Oh yeah. Yes or not? That well.
I hate avocados. I love eggplant. And I love mangoes.
Okay, I'm gonna go with. Hold on.
I hate avocados. I love eggplant and I love mangoes.
I would hope you love mangoes.
Love mangoes.
Okay. Okay, so you ate avocados.
I hate avocados. I do not love eggplant.
Okay. I never had that.
So which one?
Eggplant. I never had that.
Don't have it.
You said don't have
Let's
it.
just put it that way.
Okay.
I mean, eggplant palm is alright, but everything else eggplant is nasty.
I like car sex. I had threesome 2 times. I got suspended from school.
Okay. Alright. I believe you had a threesome 2 times. You got suspended from school.
Yeah. No,
That's a lie?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know.
Okay. I can cook food from many different cultures. I hate cooking. My favorite thing to cook is barbecue salmon.
Last one is a lie.
No, my favorite thing to cook is
It
barbecue
is?
salmon.
So what's the lie?
That I hate cooking.
You do?
That's a lie.
I know. I think you do.
I love cooking. The lie is that I hate
Oh,
cooking.
fuck.
Why
I'm
you keep
not
First of all, this is
listening.
your game to
I
come
know,
on.
right?
You keep getting confused.
Oh shit, I got it wrong. Also, you love cooking. Okay. I was listening. You hate cooking. Okay, that was a lie. Because you actually do love cooking.
Exactly.
Damn. Okay. Alright, stuff. Okay.
I'm getting confused. You brought this game to me.
Girl, I'm a little tipsy.
I drink a lot of soda. I love drinking water, and I love fresh squeezed juice.
You don't like fresh squeezed juice?
I love fresh squeezed juice.
You do?
Yes, I do.
Oh gosh. You love drinking water is a lot.
I love drinking water.
Oh, because I guess it's a soda then.
I do not drink a lot of soda. I don't drink soda. I never have soda in my house. I don't drink soda.
Yeah, I know.
We don't buy soda.
I should have got that because there's no soda here.
There's only water and juice.
All right. Okay. Oh man. Oh, hold on. Let me get this right. Okay. My first job was at McDonald's. I grew up in Queens. I know how to skate.
You know how to skate is the lie.
Damn. Why you gotta
Because
say?
I know the first two is true.
Okay.
And you thought I ain't know a lot about you. Anyways. My favorite dessert is ice cream and chocolate cake. I hate cupcakes. And I hate coffee. Which one is the lie?
You hate coffee?
I hate coffee is the truth. I do not like coffee.
So what's the lie?
That I hate cupcakes. I love cupcakes.
Oh. This is wrong. I love M&M's. I went to jail before. I cut my hair while all broken.
You went to jail before, it's the lie. Because I remember when you cut your hair. I remember that. Next one. I learned to ride a bike when I was 10. I had the chicken pox when I was 3. And I was pregnant only one time.
Okay, so I'm gonna say the lie is you was pregnant only one time.
I was pregnant only one time. I was pregnant only one time.
Like you said it like that.
It's the truth. The lie is I learned to ride a bike when I was 10. I actually learned when I was 5.
Like, I was pregnant only one time.
I was pregnant only one time.
Like, get it right, girl.
I never had an abortion. I never had a miscarriage.
Oh.
When I got pregnant with my daughter, it was went to full term. She in the bedroom sleeping right now.
Okay. I never watched the 5 art beats before. I was in a church spelling bee. I met Taraji P.
This one I don't know. I'm gonna say you never met Taraji P. Henson. It's the lie.
I met her.
Okay. So you was in the church spelling bee before? Yes. I never knew churches had spelling bees.
What?
You was in a church spelling bee?
Yeah.
Since when churches have spelling bees? I never heard of that.
My church had spelling bees.
Oh, they made
We watched
sure.
movies and stuff.
What?
Yeah.
Church. Oh no,
Wait.
my grandmother church.
We gotta make up some more. This was all right.
My grandmother church ain't do all that.
Really? My church was in Queens, so yeah, we had spelling
They
bees.
had a choir.
In the summertime.
That's it. That's cool.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Anyway.
people on there. We want trophies.
That's cool.
I thought they had them.
I did not
I
know.
thought they have them on the thing.
I did not know churches do that. I did not know churches do that.
That was back in the day though, when I was younger. I don't know if they do it now. You got more? Cause I don't
I
got
got one more.
I'm gonna make up some more. I'll make up some.
I love wearing tights. I hate wearing sneakers, and I hate knee-high boots.
The lie is you love me in my boots.
Yes, I love me some knee-high boots. Oh gosh, last year before coronavirus, I got like 10 pairs of knee-high boots.
10 pairs?
Yeah, you know where I got it from?
Running it?
No, it's online. Just Fab, I think.
Oh wow. Okay, I didn't know. Oh yeah, I know that's right.
Yo, I swear,
Oh,
I ordered like 6 one time and it came.
How much is it?
$10.
For real?
Yes, yes. When you a member,
Oh,
it's $10.
I actually not remember it more.
Yeah, it's like $60 or $70.
So do you gotta pay a membership price or something?
I don't think so. Ain't no money coming out my account for it. I think at one point it was,
Wow.
but like this big box just came for me. I was like, wow, all my shoes is here.
Wait. They will come at one time?
Because I ordered like 6 at one time.
Oh wow.